Hey, this is Chap Ordoa. How would you like to get access to unlimited content creation? Well, today is your day. We have a WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, and it will allow you to get access to unlimited content creation with a few clicks of your mouse. It's so simple. I'm not going to go over all the details because on our website we have more details on all these different features right here. I'm just going to show you how you can search through and find different articles that you can find content. But if you want to get more detail, I'm going to show you the website, and below this video there'll be a link with also a $20 discount code that you can save today. But what I'll do is I'll just show you right here. When you log in, once you have this set up, you just want to come right over here and you want to click on Auto Content Creation, okay? Then there's different things you can do up here, okay? You can do article, videos, and image search, okay? I'm just going to do articles today. Like I said, I'll give you the link to our website where you can see more detail of the other features and functions. But what I'm going to do is just show you about the articles. So there's a whole bunch of categories right here. We're getting ready to add a lot more categories with subcategories and all that good stuff, and literally hundreds of thousands of more content is going to be added here in the next 30 to 60 days. So we've got our programmer working really hard to make sure that we have unlimited content creation for you, our users of our powerful WordPress plugin that will give you unlimited content. And like I said, we're making sure this plugin is powerful for our users. Okay, so we're going to make it simple. I'm just going to go to weight loss. Then I'm going to type in here weight loss right here. If you want to spin the article right here and make an original content, you can click right here. It's that simple. I'm not going to get into detail like that. You can go to our website and look at that. Then you click the topic right here. Okay, search category. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to click right here. And when we click on these and we click save, they're going to save the results for us. Okay. So here they are saved. So now we go to import results there. Here they are right now. So let's just say we want to, post this article right here. It says it's already posted right here. So let's go back. This, like I said, this is a demo page right here. So let me go back and we'll pick some other ones right here. So let's go back to weight loss here. We'll type in weight loss. We'll do some searching right here. And let's just say we're going to pick... let me go here and we're going to pick all these. Alright, so we're going to pick all of these. Click save. Alright, so now we're going to go to the results. Alright, so here we go. Add the post. So I want to click this one right here and make a post on the website, okay? Now you can see it's formatted perfectly. You can go in here and change things if you want. If you want to highlight this, you could go like this and you can make it bold. You can do whatever you want. And it's as simple as this. Just click update. And literally there's your article right there. Okay? It's that simple. Now if you, let's see here. Let's go back up here. We'll go over here. Let's go back into here. Alrighty. And let's see here. Let's just click on some more here so you can see how this works. So once you get your results done with your articles, once you search, so I'll just show you here. So you can see it is simple. You click right here. I'm going to put weight loss. You click search. Then once your article's right here, or just one second, let me get a drink of water here. All right. Once you do, and once you save these right here, once you click here and then click save, you can come up here. This will show you what articles you have selected. Okay, so you can click right here. And you can already see them right here. And if you've already made posting, because like I said, I have some other things set up on here on this test site, so it says already posted. So you don't want to post any of those. So you come back right here, and it will let you know if you've posted them or not, like this one right here. And you can click on any of these right here. And all you got to do is click update. Or let's just say you want to put, let's see here, let's put a featured image. So we'll click right here. Alright, we've got some images right there, so we'll just use this one, and we'll put this right here. Alright, so now we have an image, so we click right here, so now we can go view it. And if we go to the home page right here, you can see it right here. This is just a test site, so it's just showing, has an image right here so people can see an image. So let's just go back in here. All right. Let's just go back here. And like I said, there's all different categories. We're adding new categories all the time and different subcategories, so you will not run out of any kind of content, okay? These other tabs right up here, like I said, once you go to our site right here, we'll have a link below this video. Let me just scroll back up here. You can watch this video right here. Kind of gives you more of the opportunity of, how My Content Creator Pro works, the possibilities of what you can do with it, how, different ways that you can make money on, like, say like sites like Fiverr. You can buy our particular plugin right here, and you can go on sites like Fiverr, and people could say, hey, I need something in accounting, and then you just click on the accounting one, and you find some articles, and then you send them your article. You can spin them, you can do whatever you want, and then you can start making, literally, you can actually have your own business from My Content Creator Pro on different sites that you can sell the articles, okay? We do have two different forms. We have My Content Creator Pro. That's the one I showed you today, but I didn't get into detail. Like I said, if you want to get more detail, you can watch our videos that will show a lot more, like the demo right here. This is My Content Creator Pro, the Pro version. Watch this. We'll go into detail about how it works. Like I said, if you want to read more about things, you can. This is the Elite version of My Content Creator Pro. You can watch the video here. We'll go into more detail, okay? And like I said, if you act today, we're going to increase the price because, like I said, we're literally adding extreme value to this plugin today, this WordPress plugin, this content creator software. So we've got to increase the price because, it costs a lot of money to add hundreds of thousands of different content, that is going to help everybody that's using our plugin, okay? So today, the price right now for just the Pro version is $47 one time, and then the $97 one time for the Elite. Okay, you can save $20 today. Below this video, there'll be a link to the website right here and a $20 promo code that you can save. Okay, now another thing right here to show you, once you've actually made your purchase today for My Content Creator Pro, because you're looking to have unlimited content creation with our WordPress plugin software, you can come right up here to training videos. And then you can just scroll down this page and we'll go into detail of every single feature that My Content Creator Pro has. Even if you get the Elite version, we'll show the extra tab right there and show you exactly how they work. This plugin is so powerful, this WordPress plugin, you are not going to run out of content, and literally, like I said, you can use My Content Creator Pro to start your own business on Fiverr and literally start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each and every day. Okay, I want to show you one more thing. I don't know what level of WordPress you have learned, but we have put a free e-learning website together called WPLearning101.com. I'm going to put a link below this video also for WPLearning101.com. This is 100% free. We have some paid, more advanced things for other features right here about Eliminator, speeding up your WordPress, or the security of your WordPress website, and then the speeding up your WordPress website. But the basic setting up of WordPress right here, WordPress Learning Made Simple, 100% free. All you have to do is you just click right here, start learning now for free. Just add your name, your last name, your email address. Check this box right here that gives us permissions. Leave this check right here so we can send you emails to let you know when we have new updates. And all you do is click place order. We will send you the information that you need. Once you click place order, we will take you to the page where you will be able to start viewing the videos. Okay, we have 30 plus videos, and I'll show you right here. You can actually see what the videos are about just by scrolling down here. And you can see all 31 videos right here. We're going to help you with so many different parts. Even if you know WordPress, you might not know how to install WordPress Analyticals on your WordPress website. So it's worth just getting this, just signing up for this today for free, because it's not going to cost you any money. We're always updating videos to make sure that you have the newest WordPress training videos. And like I said, we've made them WordPress Learning Made Simple. That's why we say that, and that's why it's in our logo right there. But like I said, if you ever have any questions, also here, the link will be below this video. You can come over here and you can click on support, and you just click right there, just as simple as the other site. And you just put in your information right there. Here's our phone number actually too, but you can put your name here, your email, and then your comment, and let us know. Click here that you agree to send us this message. And it's that simple, literally. We are here to help you. We want you to have access to all the training you can about WordPress, and we want to make sure that if you're, want to start your own business too, like I said, you can get access to our My Content Creator Pro, which is a content creation software that's a WordPress plugin that can really help you out a lot. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm excited for you, to take this to the next level about getting unlimited content creation for your WordPress website. So this is Chad Pornova. I'll see you later. Talk to you later. Bye bye.